There are many wireless presentation products and solutions in the market, but what is the best technology for any company to choose? Hello, I'm Brian from ViewSonic in ISE 2020. The truth is, when the things comes to the wireless presentation, there is really no one technology that is going to give you all the features, all the consideration that you are trying to achieve. There is always a consideration or trade-off, whether you want to have a full accessibility or the security, whether you want to have an easiness or you want to have the cost of the management. Here in ViewSonic, we are going to show you the latest wireless presentation display made for this purpose. Starting from the easiest bit, all our display coming with the Miracast. So for any user, they can simply just Miracast in their Windows PC. It also comes with the Vcast application, which is going to be a very powerful wireless presentation application in the market. It supports Mac, Windows, Chrome, and also iOS and Android. It is not only just doing the mirror sharing, but it can also do the broadcasting at the same time. And what's more is actually you could project full screen at the same time. And once the screen is projecting on the big screen, the big display can take the full control of the display itself. However, all this application is only within the one room. How about when you had the situation, you are going to wireless your presentation from one location to the other location. Here comes our latest wireless presentation display solution called My Viewboard Display. When I'm now switching on my viewboard display, I could easily just tap in one display, and now you will be able to see the other side of the screen is showing the wireless presentation. And this is how the solution is going. If you'd like to find out more information, please visit our website, www.viewsonic.com. Thank you.